Howdy everyone, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101, and this is my channel, Best Dallas Apartments. Hey, we're at the Peregrine in Las Colinas, and we're gonna go inside the library lounge. This is a co-working area, and so let's check it out. It's really fun. Okay, this is a really cool lounge area. It's really quiet, by the way, it is a library. And then there's a lot of plugs in here too, so the plugs in here are great. And then it looks like this in here. So it does have area to watch TV if you want. And there is looks like a wine fridge over there too. So really pretty library lounge slash wine fridge. This is also very close to the elevator. So we're gonna go up and see some things in just a minute, some apartments. The parking is right there too. So we were just in that parking garage. So it's a really convenient area to, just relax and maybe get some work done anytime. We're back out here, and now what we're gonna go do is we're gonna go see this really pretty pool. I'm looking forward to it. If you have questions about anything you're seeing, or if you just wanna say hi. Hey Grant, love your videos, love to say hi. Hey, I look forward to hearing from you. Just say hi and send me a text. Okay, now let's go outside. Let's see this beautiful pool.